The University of Sri Jayewardenepura, formerly known as Vidyodaya Pirivana, was the essence of the revival of Sri Lankan education. It is the second oldest university in Sri Lanka and the first university established in independent Ceylon. The university has a long and glorious history of 60 years in keeping with culture, tradition, eco-innovation and sustainability. Nesting an academic and non-academic population over 14,000, it is considered the largest university in terms of student population in Sri Lanka. Today, the university stands strong with 8 faculties. Throughout the years, the University of Sri Jayewardenepura has managed to develop in many areas, expanding its horizons, excelling in academic and research, while producing efficient, skillful, and professional individuals that will aid in the development of our mother nation. In the path of reaching the peak of academic heights, the university has also become responsible for a significant amount of inevitable greenhouse gas emissions. The university emits greenhouse gases during academic work, laboratory work, transport, use of generators, and energy consumption directly and indirectly. Meanwhile, deforestation has become a major issue in Sri Lanka. There is an urgent need to combat deforestation and habitat loss for the sustainable management of Sri Lanka's forest resources. In this context, the government aims to increase the forest cover in the country from 29% to 32% by 2030. Recognizing the threat of global warming and climate change, University of Sri Jayewardenepura has pledged to become Sri Lanka's first carbon-neutral state university. The Center for Sustainability of the Department of Forestry and Environmental Science has taken the forefront in carbon neutrality research in the university. Putting the research findings into practice as part of a comprehensive plan to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, a major strategy has been adopted to do carbon insetting by reforestation, which is proven to be one of the best solutions for global climate change.
Showing our environmental commitment to the world, the Center for Sustainability of the Department of Forestry and Environmental Science recently took a giant step towards making University of Sri Jayewardenepura the first carbon neutral university in Sri Lanka. As a part of this project, we are in the process of estimating the carbon footprint of the university, and our initial estimates suggest that approximately 600 to 700 tons of carbon dioxide are emitted each year as a result of our day-to-day university operations. So to offset this carbon dioxide emission, we are creating a carbon sink in the form of a new forest.
A carbon sink will be created by restoration of 400 hectares of degraded dry mixed evergreen forest owned by the Forest Department in Karuwala Gaswawa, Puntland. Our path to compensate for the emissions does not stop there. Extending beyond forest regeneration, we have developed an environmental policy for the University of Sri Jayewardenepura, which had been a long overdue requirement. Alongside with the reforestation programs, we have taken sustainable innovation in constructing Sri Lanka's first platinum-rated green building in a state university. Our work will become a model for sustainability among all academic organizations in the region and show how one community can make a real impact.